For this demo, I will use the Bitbucket backend. The repo is at bitbucket.org/ostesting/test. We have to set up the login and password so that orgsync can send updates to the repo. To do that, you have to set the osbbauth variable. You can directly evaluate it by pressing Ctrl+X, Ctrl+E, like so, or you can write it to your .emacs to make it persistent. Okay, now let's try out orgsync. Switch to a new buffer, set org mode, insert some text. Alright, now let's import the issues at the test repo. To do so, you have to call the os function, so hit meta-x and call os. Orgsync asks you the URL you want to import. Okay, so there are currently no issues on the Bitbucket repo. So let's add a new one. In orgsync, a bug is just a subheadline, so let's try to add a new one. Run os again to sync with the remote repository. Bugs are sorted each time you run OS. The opened ones are at the top and the closed ones are at the bottom. And they're sorted by their modification time. Now let's try to add a bug using the website. Okay, now back to Emacs, run OS again. As you can see, the bug was fetched. Ignore the $m characters. It's a bug, it should be fixed soon. You can try to edit it and sync again. Let's refresh the issue on the website. Okay, now let's see how orgsync handles conflicts. We're going to make a different local and remote version of the same issue. This time when we sync, there's a conflict. Orgsync keeps the local version in the same buffer and shows you a new buffer with both versions. You can choose the one you want and replace it in the bug list. You can look at the sync property to know the origin of a bug. When you're done, just run OS again. Let's check on the Bitbucket website, and voila, it worked.